A GAC 44C6M was rebuilt from a Dash 9, and they never had a fatal accident. But later in the year, there was an accident last year. This is the story of the Collegedale train derailment. On December 20th, 2022, NS Manifest Train 32N departed Chicago, Illinois, heading to Conway, Pennsylvania. There were 3 engines on it. The lead one is GE AC 44C6M 4067, EMD trailing with EMD SD78 1058, and ET 44AC 3601. Just in the afternoon, the train was approaching Collegedale, Tennessee, but there was trouble ahead. There was a truck hauling a 134 concrete beam, was constructing to a new bridge, was waiting for a green light. And the train crew activated the crossing, and they saw the truck on the track. They hit the brakes and tried to stop the train, but it was too late. Just in the afternoon, the train crashed through the truck. The force of the accident sent 3 engines and 9 cars off the tracks. And the first responder rushed to the scene. And they found the train crew had some minor injuries. So what caused this train to derail, and why? Well, maybe the engineer didn't see the truck, or they didn't hit the brakes in time. NS 4067, 1058, and 3601 were all taken out of service and was taken to the NS shop, where they are going to be scrapped or repaired and returned to service. And the cleanup crew was already beginning. So yeah. So that was the Collegedale train derailment. And I'll see you guys in a little bit.